Shortcutting meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation to cut cords and call back your energy and inner power. Cut karmic ties, negative influences, or emotions. Reclaim energy and release unhealthy attachments. My name is Narayanjot, and I am glad you find your way to this meditation. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lay down. Make yourself comfortable. We begin the meditation with taking a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in again and breathe out. And again, take a deep breath in and out. Now, breathe in your own natural rhythm. Now, become aware of your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the air around you. The air is breathing you, coming in through your nose, going deep into your lung, entering the blood circulation, running through your system, and leaving your body again through your lungs and out of your nose again. Every part of your body supplied with energy by this never-ending circle. Feel the energy inside you, reaching your toes, reaching your fingers, reaching your head, your lips, your chest rises up and down, very soft, very gentle, so natural. With your eyes still closed, I want to invite you to look up and see or sense a light just above your head. Imagine a channel of light going from your head upwards into the heaven, out to the universe. This light is your very individual connection to the universe. It shines from the universe straight to the earth, straight to you. It is your connection, your channel of light. And through this channel, there will always be a connection. And the energy of the universe is supplying you with everything you need. Always. Be aware of this situation, be aware of this channel. The channel is always there. The light is always there for you. This light is always supporting you. Now, ask the channel of light to fill your entire body with light and beautiful positive energy, filling your head, your face, your throat, down through your shoulders, your arms and hands, floating down your chest, your belly, down through your legs, feet, and into the ground. Keep letting the light flow through you and connect down through the ground to the center of the earth. If you feel any tension in your body, you can guide the light to loosen and release any density you might be carrying. Let it go. Breathe it out. Imagine this light inside you, inside your body, is growing. With every breathing in, you're letting more light enter your body. And with every breathing out, you radiate even more. The light is glowing like a bright star. feel yourself radiate this loving bright light all around your energy field. Feel the light radiating through you. It purifies your energy system. And you can ask the light, your light, to heal everything instantly, right now. The light will heal you automatically. Just let it flow through you. You are full of love, full of life, vibrant. Feel the gratitude. Feel the divine healing inside you. You can repeat the following mantra. With gratitude in my heart for what once was, I release, I forgive, I heal, and I let go of any attachments. I am cutting any cords that are no longer serving me. I ask that all cords attached to me that are not aligned with love, light, and positive attention be released. I release them and surround myself with a healing light that is protecting me from future attachments. You now feel refreshed. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in deeply and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Rub your hands and palms together. when you are ready, you can come back and open your eyes. You can do this meditation as often as you like.